Welcome back to WizzKidz TV. Today we're going to put together this dinosaur puzzle. Do you know what dinosaur this is? Yes, it's a Triceratops. Can you help me build this puzzle? Great, let's begin. Do you know what this is? Yes, it's a tree. What about this? A cloud. Yes, dinosaurs love to roam outside. I wonder which piece is first. Let's find the tail. Do you see the tail anywhere? Is this the tail? No. Where is the tail? Could it be this one? What does that look like to you? Yes, it looks like a tail. And these are his legs. I wonder where it belongs. Do you know? Yes, over here. Well done. That fits perfectly. Let's find the other piece. Do you know where it is? Could it be this one? Do you think this attaches to the tail? No, this is his head. Let's put it back over here. Which one is it? That's right. Well done. Let's put it together. It fits perfectly. That's the tail, his 4 legs, and his body. These are the spikes on his back. Do you know what goes over here? Triceratops' head. Do you see it anywhere? That's right, it's over here. Well done. Let's put it where it belongs. We've completed the puzzle. His tail, his 4 legs, his body, his spikes. This is his head. Can you count how many horns he has on his head? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3. Do you remember what dinosaur this is? Yes, Triceratops. Tri means 3. Triceratops. A 3-horned dinosaur. Can you tell me what color he is? Yes, he's a mix of blue. 3 different types of blue. You have dark blue, light blue, and this could be baby blue or just blue. Triceratops. Thank you so much for helping me build Triceratops. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos. And we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye!